Have you ever heard of a mushroom that looks like a honeycomb and tastes incredibly delicious? That's the morel mushroom, a rare fungus loved by chefs and food enthusiasts worldwide. Its distinctive feature is a hollow cap with a unique honeycomb pattern that's easy to recognize. Morels have a rich, nutty flavor that's truly irresistible. They grow wild in temperate forests, usually appearing in spring, often after forest fires. But be careful, there are poisonous lookalikes, so never pick them without proper knowledge. Always cook morels before eating to ensure they're safe and tasty. Morels are a prized ingredient in many gourmet dishes and highly sought after in markets.